Now we see the relation between small g and capital G. Means small g is nothing but the acceleration due to gravity and capital G is nothing but the universal gravitational constant. To obtain the relation between this, now we consider, suppose this is earth, this is earth. Let m be the mass of earth and this is the center, means for where the total mass of the body can be concentrated. This is called as the center of mass. Now this is radius of earth, capital R, and suppose a body of mass small m is situated on the surface of earth. Now here small m is very less than as compared to the capital M, means mass of the body is very small as compared to the mass of the earth, and this body is situated on the surface of earth. The distance between the two masses is capital R. This is center, and at the center total mass of earth is concentrated, and therefore the distance between the two masses is capital R. Now according to Newton's law of gravitation, the force of attraction between the two bodies is equal to G m into m upon r square, where capital M is the mass of earth, small m is the mass of body. This is equation number 1. Now as the body of mass m is on the surface of earth, and therefore weight of the body on the earth is nothing but the force exerted by the earth on the body. Therefore the force exerted by the earth on the body is equal to weight. This is equal to m into g, where m is the mass of the body and g is the acceleration due to gravity. This is equation number 2. Now the force exerted by the body on the earth is equal to the weight exerted by the body, weight exerted by the earth on the body, that is F equal to G, or W is equal to F. This can be written as G into M upon R square is equal to M into G. Now this M get cancelled, and therefore this can be written as G into G is equal to G capital into capital M upon R square, and this is the acceleration due to gravity in terms of universal gravitational constant, or this can be again written as G is equal to G small into R square upon capital M. This is again the relation between the acceleration due to gravity and universal gravitational constant. Using this formula we can determine the acceleration due to gravity at any place, means on the surface of any planet, means depend on the radius of that planet and mass of that planet. Means for example, the mass of earth is equal to 6, actually it is 5.98 into 10 raised to the power 26 kg. This can be written as 5 into 10 raised to the power 6 into 10 raised to the power 26 kg, and radius of earth is equal to 6400 kilometer. It means that 6.4 into 10 raised to the power these 3 and this kilometer 3 means 6 meter. Now after putting this value, G is equal to, in this equation, 6.67 into 10 raised to the power minus 11 into 6 into 10 raised to the power 26 upon 6.4 into 10 raised to the power 6 whole square. After solving, this G is equal to 6.6 means 40.02 into the product of this is 40.02 into 10 raised to the power plus 26 minus 11 15 plus 15 upon 6.4 into 6.4 means near about it is 40 point something. It is also 40 point something or 39 point something. We take 40 point round figure into 10 raised to the power 12, and therefore we can write mass of the earth is 5.98 into 24 kg. This is 24 kg, and therefore after putting the value of 24 kg it becomes 13, and this becomes 46.64, means 6.4 into 6.4, 40.96 means 41, and therefore after solving this we can write this g is equal to 0.98 into 10 to the power 1. Therefore g can be written as 9.8 meter per second square, and in this way we can determine the value of acceleration due to gravity on the earth surface.